I am not Robert Burns, and this is not the River Afton in England. It is a man-made lake in Virginia Beach, Virginia, and today is a beautiful day. I talked with beautiful people. They were positive, upbeat, enthusiastic, lovers of life and living. Yes, communicating with pleasant people is important if you are to set the mood of your day. Their enthusiasm rubs off on you. Their smiles are conducive to pleasant thoughts. Their attitude stirs the imagination, and you feel that you can accomplish anything. These people are lovers of life, and they live in the moment, relishing every second. Today is a beautiful day. Not a cloud in the sky, or so it seems. My day started with a meeting with a very pleasant, personable, friendly, and highly professional representative of Virginia Beach. By the way, to all my photographic, television, motion picture producers, shooting and working with the people of Virginia Beach is a very good experience. The officials here are cooperative, and instead of placing blocks in your way, their cooperation in making your project happen will go above and beyond. Come and see for yourself. But I'm getting off track. What I really wanted to share with you is my day today. After leaving my meeting with the Virginia people, I am seriously thinking about doing a mini documentary of the environment, how trash is turned into treasure, Virginia Beach style. Anyway, the meeting was good, so I decided to visit Mount Trashmore here in Virginia Beach, for inspiration, of course. This that you see was once trash, that's right, garbage, and now it's an environmental beauty. So here I am. And of course, since I always carry a camera, I shot these scenes. What I really wanted to tell you, though, was about my meeting with a young lady, a natural beauty in her mid-40s. Sorry, I don't have her permission to share her name, but I can tell you that she came here from New York after divorce. She said that she loves it here, and I think that it's just a matter of time she will meet her soulmate right here in Virginia Beach. She's a former teacher who chose not to teach for reasons, incidentally, that I have covered in some of my videos on education. So, when she came to Virginia Beach, she started at the very bottom, according to her. She started as a retail clerk at close to minimum wage, but she was determined to make her working experience a pleasant and positive experience, and she wanted to do that each and every day. She always had a smile on her face, and she made it a point to treat each person with respect and in a pleasant manner. In other words, regardless of her seeming placement in the job market, she was determined to claim her position with enthusiasm and delight. Needless to say, people like her are always noticed for the attitude and the devotion to what they're being paid to do. So, you guessed it. Even though she's been there for less than a year, she has been picked to start her management training for the store. Yes, I wish I could mention the name of the store, but here again, I do not have their permission to do so. Truthfully, I felt so very good being in her company and being around her, and her enthusiasm was amazing. If only all the people I meet in stores and in other people contact jobs were like her. She reminded me so much of my fantastic niece Renee. Yes, the same Renee on my Facebook. The one that starts each day with a positive saying. Yes, today is a beautiful day, and to think that all I did was to be on the shores of Lake Trashmore, at Mount Trashmore, just looking at these birds.